Welcome to Elite Pharma Notes. I hope you are all safe in homes and I want to make your career safer. That's why I am uploading daily one video on the pharmacy topics. Those who are preparing for the GPAT and NIPAR and other competitive exams in pharmacy, they all know the importance of the name reactions. I want to make you the work smarter. That's why I am preparing a table or column which included the 31 name reactions in this video, and the remaining name reactions I will be uploaded later. Let's discuss these 31 name reactions. Ecloins condensation. Here the condensation of the carboxylic esters will be taking place in presence of sodium and aprotic solvents like ether, benzene, toluene or the xylenes, and they will form a ecloin which is chemically alpha hydroxy ketones. I already represented here. And the second one is aldol condensation. Here the alpha hydrogen nated aldehydes going to be condensed in presence of base. They will form a estrolol. Already represented here the structure also. Crossed aldol condensation. Here one is non-alpha hydrogenated aldehyde, another one is alpha hydrogen aldehyde. They will condense and they will form a crossed product. Allylic rearrangement is nothing but the when alkenes which are having beta alkene, they will in presence of acid or the base they will form a allylic compounds. And the fifth one is important named reaction, Arndt esters reaction. Here the carboxylic acid in presence of SOCl2 and diazomethane compound need to be added as a reagent. In presence of water it will form acid, in presence of alcohol it forms ester, in presence of ammonium it forms amide, and in presence of substituted NH2 it will form a carbamide. Now let us discuss the remaining name reactions. Baeyer-Willinger's reaction, here it is very important. The cyclopentanone reacted with paracids, very important here. The paracids, they will form a lactone. Sometimes they will ask as what is the name reaction used in the for the synthesis of lactone rings. Then we have to go for say that Baeyer-Willinger's reaction. And Beckmann rearrangement reaction, here the ketoxymes, these ketoxymes reacted in acid reagent like H2SO4, they will form N substituted amines. Very important. Beckmann rearrangement is useful for the production of amines. And next one is Birch reduction. When benzene or the naphthalene reacted with lithium, liquid ammonium and ethanol, it will forms 1,4 dihydroxycyclohexane. If you see here the three double bonds are there, but here one is saturated. In benzylic acid rearrangement, the benzyl compound in presence of base they will form a benzylic acids. Canzaro reaction, aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. See here there is no alpha hydrogen is present. This type of compounds in presence of base they will form benzoalcohol as well as the sodium benzoates. Crossed Canzaro reaction, here the alpha hydrogen aldehyde and the formaldehyde reacted with NaOH and it will undergo aldol condensation to form a methyl glycols. Very important. In Claisen condensation, ester having alpha hydrogen in presence of alcohol and H plus, they will form a Claisen condensation product which is having a alpha substitutions. Cross-Claisen condensation, ethyl nicotinamide and N-methyl pyrrolidine in presence of sodium, in presence of base they will form a cross-Claisen products. Claisen rearrangement, aryl alkyl ethers in 200 degrees temperature, they will form a para arrangement. And remember, if the ortho position free, they will substitute at ortho position only. If the ortho position is not free, then they will form a para arrangement. Claisen-Schmidt reaction, here aromatic aldehydes and alpha hydrogen aldehydes reacted and 10% of NaOH at room temperature. 8 to 10 days reaction need to be performed and it will form a cinnamaldehyde. Very important. Which of the named reaction used for the synthesis of cinnamaldehyde? Like these questions will be arise. Now the next reaction is Clemmensen reduction. Carbonyl group with aldehyde and ketones. Example is acetophenonitrate reacted with zinc amalgam HCl and reflected you will have to perform so that it will form a ethyl benzene. Here what happens means CH2 is going to be formed. If you see here, it is a carbonyl compound and it will form a CH2. Cutic reaction, here the alkyl azides reacted with chloroform and benzene and it will form the intermediate of isocyanates, and that isocyanate treated with alcohol it forms esters, and water it forms amine, and for the substituted amines it will forms a urea derivatives. And remember, sometimes they will ask which of the name reaction having an intermediate product of isocyanate, that is Cutic reaction, one of the example for that. And Deichmann rearrangement, if you see here, dibasic acid esters, it will reacted with base and they will form alpha keto derivatives, beta keto derivatives. Diel aldol reaction, here 1,4 addition of an alkene plus conjugated dienes. You know the about meaning of conjugated dienes. They will, in presence of Lewis acid and temperature of 200 degrees centigrade, it will interconvertible reaction will be formed and they will finally produce a cyclohexane, and the percentage of yield is very less, nearly 20% only. And dinon phenol rearrangement, 4,4 dialkyl ketone with unsaturation, in presence of acid they will form a phenol with rearrangement. Fevansky rearrangement, here the alpha haloketones reacted with alkyl hydroxide, they will form esters. Very important, it is used for the synthesis of esters from the haloketones. Friedel-Crafts rearrangement, I think most of them know this type of name reaction. Aromatic compounds untreated with anhydrous aluminum trichloride and in the temperature of 80 degrees they will form a Friedel-Crafts reaction product. The substitution of alkane group is taking place here, if you see. And Fries rearrangement, here when you take these esters and treated with AlCl3 and heat, they will form different products. Ortho and para substitution will be, rearrangement will be taking place. Grabel reaction, here alkali thalamines react alkyl halides, in presence of alkyl halides they used for the synthesis of primary amines. If you see here, you can see the primary amines also as a product. And Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis, here the name itself giving that it is used for the synthesis of aldehydes from the benzene or the nitrobenzene, as I showed in the PDF. In presence of carbon monoxide HCl and CuCl2 plus AlCl3. If you not use the Cu2Cl2, you have to use more temperature. If you want to perform it in a room temperature, you have to add the Cu2Cl2. Getterman's amide. These benzene in presence of carboxychloride and aluminum trichloride are used as a catalyst, and they will use for the synthesis of benzamides, very important. And Hell-Wilhards-Jelansky reaction here, linear carboxylic acid reacted with bromide, red phosphorus, they will form acids and amino acids. If you see here, amino acids also formed here. Haubin-Hossen's reaction, polyhydroxyphenol or the phenolic ether or the pyrrolines reacted with nitrile and HCl to form a 2,4 dihydroxyestophenes. Hoffman reaction, here amides in presence of bromine and NaOH base to give a amines, very important. Cohn-Ewing-Gill reaction, aldehydes and ketones, esters and active methyl groups in presence of pyridine, pipyridine, they will form a alpha beta compounds. Alpha beta. You see the Perkin reaction, this CH3CO twice O reacted with CH3COO-Na, it will in presence of base and sodium or a sodium acetate, it will form alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is cinnamic acid. And the remaining name reactions I will be upload as early as possible. For getting a notification, please subscribe and please click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification on the remaining name reactions. Thank you.